Okay, stopped right here. I just turned it off and rotated. I got a problem. You can see the drive dog is starting to come out of here. It's trying to come out. So when I got over here, it got really hard and didn't want to cut no more, so I stopped. And I'm going to have to go further, I'm pretty sure, but the cutter is not happy about that. And obviously it looks like the dog is not happy too. Evidently somebody's been torquing on this pretty heavily. So instead of the bolt bending, it's actually just sliding inside. I clamped it on. So I have to reposition that, and then I'm going to go get after and get nasty with it in a minute. Okay. So in case you think I wasn't putting a load on anything, we were loading it. Looks like the whole thing is loosened up on us a little bit. So it slid on the reamer a little bit. It wants to sit at an angle. Yeah, well, what else has changed? Oh, I see what's happened. Okay. It won't go back, that's the problem. So what has happened is that this has slid in the vise, in the chuck here, I think, a little bit. All that constant pushing on it from the bit has shoved it into the chuck here deeper. This can't go any deeper because I had it bottomed out, so that means it has to twist this way as it does it. So that'd be my guess is what's happened. Not sure. I had my suspicions about it moving a little bit, but I haven't really moved it too far that way, but when you're bottomed out, it doesn't take much, I guess. So I'm going to recut the center to do the final work, but for now I can just pull this out. Get it loose here. Alright. This needs to come out a little bit. I don't see any sliding marks, but something's different. So now we've lost the concentricity now because things have moved. God, that thing is hot. Definitely worked on that a little bit. There it goes. Okay. I don't want to be that far into it. Looks like there's no good spot to lay this. Before it was caught in one of the flutes, but not anymore. Damn, that thing's hot. I don't think it moved. I think I just had it in a different area. So my problem is I'm going to cut this nut. Torque. Torque. kind of free to move a little bit, but it's tight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this hard spot here. So this here is not dogged into anything, it's just pinching only on this one flute, so there's nothing to keep it from rotating. This zone over here is our rotational, see how it's dug into the backside there? And it's pushing on the leading edge over here. So that's all we got. All our rotation load is being taken up by this little corner right there. That little corner right there is what's keeping it from dragging off. And the torque on this. So when it started shifting, all of a sudden everything kind of moved up and loosened up. So a little different. So I'm a little bit further on than I was, and that's okay. The nuts clearing this way. I'm off the carbide, but just barely. Alright, so we'll just keep an eye on it. So I'm going to make some noise here and try to cut this. So this here, I don't know how hard that is, but my guess is it's probably pretty hard. Going by the amount of noise it was making earlier. So what I can do is I can cut on the side of the bit, cut a lot deeper and slower, and try not to chunk into it too bad. I imagine the bit's going to go bye-bye here. He's not going to be happy about this at all, I'm sure. Oh well. Alright, let's see what happens here. If it comes loose, it's going to be chasing after the camera. That's a little hard. Check our bolt torque. Pretty tight still. Yep. So loosen up a little bit maybe. So something's giving up the ghost here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm sure my cutter is not happy about this at all. Yeah. Pretty sure it's pissed off at me. Oh, oh no, I thought the screw unscrewed. Oh, we're good. piston's definitely looser though. That's tight. Okay, still tight. Alright, it's definitely hard. It's not happy about cutting. This whole thing is moving. The cutting edge is pretty well gone now. Tighten that down a little bit more. Try some more here. Haven't broke anything yet. Likes the fun cutting outside though. Okay, let's check our torques here where we're at it. That's still good. That's still tight. Okay, about halfway through. It definitely is not happy. Oh well. Tips are hot. one pissed off cutter. I can guarantee the tool bit is not happy about this. And going by how it's cutting, it's not much of a tip left over there either. I think I can vouch for the fact that it's probably gone. But it's off. We got a nice radius edge in there like we wanted. So that looks good. I'll come back and finish cutting diameter tomorrow on this. It's definitely going to have to, I'm going to have to redo the center over here. We're going to have to obviously redo this bit. It's gone. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's definitely used. See, carbide can be pissed off, but it'll still cut. Yeah, the cutting edge is a little bit dull now. What a shocker, huh? Yeah, overall it held up pretty good. I'm surprised. It didn't break off. I figured it'd be just broken off. Yeah, it's pretty dull, but it's still looks like a point on it, even though it's rounded over. Alright, we'll fix that one again. Sharpen it. And this thing here keeps getting rubbed off here. And the more these wear away, the more it eats the end of this off. Alright, that's it for tonight. So there you go. That's how you do a pissed off cutter. So tomorrow I got to recenter all of this up. And do my final cut. We'll cut this down to the size we need, and I'll hone it, external hone it down to smooth it. And I don't know, I might leave it the same size all the way down, or I might undercut it to about here so it slips down the bearing easy. Probably best if I undercut it so it'll slip in easier. And then we'll determine if we want to keep this long. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to a 1/2 inch or just above a 1/2 inch, or at least up to here. Somewhere at least this far up. That way we can cut this stuff off. If we want to shorten it, we can shorten it. So this length here was adequate. These lengths here are adequate too. So, the tripod. So yeah, see we're a couple inches too long. So turn it down at least to here, I guess. So, I don't know, we might keep it. Alright, that's it for tonight. It's tomorrow now, so it's time to go home.